tutorial on managing the trash section in WordPress. In this guide, you'll learn how to access and control the trash area so you can easily manage posts that have been removed from your site. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the login option. This step ensures you can securely access your WordPress dashboard and use all the administrative tools available. After clicking login, you'll be prompted with different sign-in options. For this tutorial, select Continue with Google. This method is quick and secure, letting you log in without typing in separate credentials. From the list of Google accounts, choose the one connected to your WordPress site. Once verified, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Now, navigate to the Posts section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your website posts are listed and managed. Inside this section, you'll find multiple tabs such as All, Publish, Drafts, and Trash. Click on the Trash link to view posts that have been deleted from your active list. The Trash area temporarily stores posts that were removed, allowing you to decide whether to restore or permanently delete them. This feature is helpful if you accidentally delete something or want to review older content before clearing it out. Once inside the Trash section, you'll notice several options beside each post. You can click Restore to bring a post back to your site, making it active again. Alternatively, if you're sure you no longer need it, choose Delete Permanently to remove it completely from your database. Taking a moment to review each item before deciding helps you maintain an organized and clutter-free content system. Regularly managing your trash section ensures your dashboard stays tidy and that you retain only the posts that are truly important. That's it. You've learned how to manage the trash section in WordPress. With these steps, you can confidently restore, review, or permanently delete posts as needed, keeping your website clean, professional, and well-maintained. Happy deleting.